not my way. This is not my way. Agamiyawe is not my way. It's not my way. I never expect that Itohan Douglas will come and descend so low to disrespect herself, to disrespect her husband, to disrespect her family to this extent. Abona ibie do we ami na zeu nema na seti ban. Ami na zeu nema na seti ban na so awe no ma. I told her, you please go your way, let me go my way. Yeah, mio, yeah, badan we yeah respect you. Because era me bije motama me we I gboma no de wo my say. A reason na le only wo woman say oh wa no mu me ya wo fane jom. But man no your farm wa. Ina de no farm when I je ni we can pay or when you get the gore or when you move free. Or phone if you wear or no. But always anymore ya me. But at the end of the day, she started receiving prayer from the children, from my old mother, from the secretary and the staff of Ajebor Fanajo. A blessing no ya me ever, mo receive a blessing but right o man no ya gbe won kan. And I'm happy today well hona gwe a don presigwa. Don pres, thank you very much. O hona gwe don presigwa o maka women in €1,000. Omaka women a jeep, Omaka women a one marathon, Omaka women a 100 million naira. But this was where they were driving to. Somebody coming today from Benin City. A beer parlor, Nana Atemo Ajebor Fanejom. They coming today from Benin City. Somebody I don't know before, an innocent person. Just because of one billionaire no Ajebor Fanajo. There are other billionaires who have been visited Ajebor Fanajo. Well, Okbiana or one more Fanajo meaning for that supposed guy at we man 419. Somebody called me today from Benin City. Enoya me kakabo jaji for the past close to 3 years ni Itohan Douglas. It just ikesionya mekia eidoya so magmo imame niwe they no see any Itohan Douglas emena ya no time don press was no man do ties is o me mad piece with Germany oga me mad piece with Germany after was say from Victor they no see no man have mad piece no talent na here na ina me we from Victor is say ne ori begewa a billionaire akpaya Ajebor Fanajo we onona or wa happy guy na the ona we dinner na e do tie we 500 no ya the ticket ya respe na imi monya ho ni mai gbaro we megi mi we ma money maybe look at how somebody is lying if ya we ta no tas no nya ya but moi can wa say me no bio mo yin omo ni me bie iye do what bo atinke but moi can yin wa say that me to bi me omo ni bie yin omo ni bie obviously no video bie do obviously no video is so I am so disappointed to know that Itohan Douglas okwo no toge go abo no Okwona ka moge ba ji vimene ya kpe ya ba. Okwoni rie yo wana evivia okwona moge ba no na siezo yogi ma wa. Okamena atama me oda for me imata imajo okameji. Okwona moge ba teme ne bira me bije me ne be no be taiban. Now this same woman has said where me give me money me be imagine ya we no ma biomo we na hevi me. No biomo ma hevi is a Itohan. You are a disgrace to your family, your entire family. You are a disappointment to them. Itohan, ya cure a problem you were. Itohan, do you know you came to meet me and tell me where Ajebor? E kenujoya we me power wa me. We come. We are with me power wa me. Probably you might have tested me. You might have taken my name to to a place no way beyond a many or a title say. Yes, I have the belief. You know why I have the belief? Edo eni mane do believe ye we awoma lomare o ma no limero gie no akbiga. Vi last pay in 99 year 2001 mo me ye chairman e biku e ti mego e mo mego se e mo tan se I believe we obun e no o ma no la me re na re ani so gie no takbiga e ri je meta ma me Owe aka mame we in a power wa me. Itohan Douglas, do you remember you told me well that for Weze? What that for Weze? Wait, Douglas is not your husband. Owo me so me call that from where? And I will what? I ask you, and I will what? You the things that baffle me most were ege yanu ya tell me na mame. Ojebeti mege we ije mo me ya tike we me no me joke. I don't take them serious. Because I was respecting you because of wanu mu me ya wo fane jom. I go agboma yese era me ije me ya magboma yese de. Me we memwe gbe me ya amwe bolo edo. Do you know that my mother is still telling me, my son, don't do this. A case in a recording, allow the judge to judge and allow God to do his work. My mother is still looking again. Nu ya dukmo ukmo pa beva nu denewe ije rukmo na. Nu ya ebe na gba ori ma se we ma gbogbo agbo ma yese. Iji me ye ya we ije me stop me when ye mwe bolo edo. Mete mwe gbene ni ya mwe bolo edo. Kami manu ya vio iye meeting no imanu ya bribe ni ado declare false weakness. My mother stopped me. A woman of 90 to 95 years old, or you to boy who or you heme or you go tai. Itohan, I dare you bring your mother out to the media. When you were there for 2 hours, Nije media for 2 hours. Now you know Katuta will be way. Yes. Memo one of do bet with the 2 room and 1 palon in any you bobo some okay. Itohan, a mansion where show there your moneru ye mansion eru da mona be mansion your community. Guys, it be like say we'll come tomorrow. Mona share this video. Mona share this video. Share this video, might proceed. Guys, share this video, let me proceed. We still have time to 12:1. Share this video, might proceed. Na kemi osami agbada. Day if you break, you call your manager, call your chef, tell and say you fall sick. So how you work me? Bele they pay you a fee kini we see when ujo e dey agbe wari doctor the crank paper no again. Listen to me. If you share this video, I go talk. If you share this video, I go talk. Like so now they watch me. If you know they watch me, waiting I talk last, somebody should tap it there. If you know they watch me waiting I talk, somebody should tap it there. Itohan Douglas. Or why we will say at your monabia na devi. Or we will say former late Enogi or Okun community. Itohan, you are a disappointed to your entire family. I said ba mine said ba where you say a crime okunoro what I love of your hand a crime. I don't call it crime because a love, you know, a love egamule, but you did it in a very wrong way. Yes. A crime. Imawe crime, you know. A love, you know. Imawe crime, you know. But you did it in a very wrong way that omana yisunu venu tai. Onyame aju make yo. He said you make yo. Itohan, you told me what that for weze. Abi mo that for where? And I went, what? Why her? You told me so. Do you know why I'm so happy? Don Prince, Comedy News. ask you 1, 2, 3, 4. Often away yourself. Often away yourself. Often away yourself. Edo ye me medo ya toge ba when the prison might take one for the bam oge. No. When no ma go be close to 3 years. Umye don prisoner un uteno un uta typhoon. E ba we ye ni many ya go. Ya ye go ye reserve so ze okbia e go for. It makes me a man. It makes me a man. And you know, see as only man me do tabe de na me my tabe live video season. You asked me to come to party in Germany. I told you that ije ohona ime ya hiyo. Yohona invite me but you know wa it is Spain. A party for Itohan Douglas. You told me that you are flying from Germany to Spain. I told you why? Why are you coming to Spain? Why can I explain the utama wa ori Germany? Okay, Germany to Spain now. Where you wa with the water? When the sun only man come? Okay, to bring your mind down. I told you okay. The airport in one to really Spain. Fly the airport in a wee day. Kewakba una mo. A deck maybe 2, 3, 4 days, 2, 3 or 4 days about TM a video call. When it take Kenije now, no, you pick a video call. A Kenije, I can't pick video call. This is how you started a bitard. Where you called me. Somebody say, please share. You called me where autonomume that a problem is over. Don't want Tony. Okay, Obama no autorio rule again. Deno. Sis era o community na here setting me motoni. But ni wadi go na ya di na de gbere gbeni. Ah, ini go no way 500,000. And I wish him Luigo when ya sanwa. Every time I went Luigo ya sanwa. My mind don't tell me say you don't set trap with me. Itohan I go reserve. Okbe agwanfo. We gwanfo ne. We come do prison we dey say. E no ya me do teni na bai. De teve no wa do ta me do prison ni. O ma togi. Then wa mu by Frank o ya we do we him Morocco. Iwa we. When I do togi, it provoke me. But if I tell you for ya reserve, or for makes me a man. Anyway, the 500,000 here I pay. And that very year, I suppose go Nigeria. And that very year, when they go Nigeria, una want go launch international ladies club. Una want go launch canopy business. But imagine. Ina Gerima is secretary ma, our father. Ina rigo ne na we no develop go na claim go ni. Alak bo deveni mula we bonore Spain. Ona ye veri go no VJ movie, ona ye veri go wiko. The same iko ona ye veri go ni. Ona ye veri go ni. Iku ye neve nyana ye ne wiku ye neve nyana o mebe no ya gume gwa. Itohan Douglas I want talk. Itohan Douglas you call me, tell me, say, the preach where I preach for social media, where bless you, say, all your property, document where you give your mama own, each one of your Yahweh. That a preacher or bless you or help you, we be by a demarcate, we say Lagos, now vary TB Joshua. And this time around, TB Joshua is still alive. And when he carry live video, TB Joshua. Itohan, why come I woman bless it to be Joshua? You are supposed to pay for me. Uriso wa uwe police e uya ya recover a documented property we ya fefefe no vio ya webu yue. For that simple reason, they ni whole no me because my were in Nigeria this time. You have now forced me to come home that you want to support me to launch Ajebor orphanage home. And I wish you. And no why you blessing me, you blessing me. Una ariye velele ya wonyana. Kenunya kenumanya, you said you have all is your property. Imaseti aju because man no matter what. E matter panu do ta odo ni obi e matter wo work back and order form e do we no wa ma be boy say they tori e kuma order form we mi ye Nigeria that we mi ye do eda Abuja wanazi o wa do wa. And now, a property now, wanya do wanya property now house. I don't want more when bless him, I told you like that. Itohan Douglas, you give me a land, not a house. When you gave me that land, I appreciated you. I said, thank you very much, my mommy. Then we started launching Ajebor orphanage home. Itohan Douglas, you said in a Don Priest live video where Imawe rock baba Ajebor orphanage home. Itohan Douglas, momwe musician okuwa Ajebor orphanage home. Imaye ti oma rock ba. Hey Baba, waiting this up now. Oh God. Guys, share this video if you want us to continue. How am I to debunk your lie? If I debunk her this evening, I'll constantly debunk her tomorrow morning. I'll debunk her in the afternoon, I'll debunk her in the evening. All right. A musician no kuwa TV do. A musician no kuwa TV do. Omamu. Itohan Douglas. I paid for the musician no kuwa. Agan warrant. Ike Nigeria de by Calopin. Irisowa iamama. We return it. I request for other new canopies and chairs. Itohan Douglas waleva. Igo yana fivi kuni Itohan Douglas. You return all to me. Umari gokba, umari wanera kbawo. He said it to Ogemawe. You return all those money to me. The upper week was 10 years anniversary of International Ladies Club, which happens to be the patron. Market area Nigeria came out transfer 200,000 yanu one 7 years ago. Again, 200,000 is a big money. It's like a 1 million naira today. Itohan verovo ero dafu wewu we ma ego ni meya finero dafu we. A dignity people don't say neni invite adikowa. You did say all this. You did say all this. Itohan, we 10 years anniversary when we were inviting ma or that for now inviting ma dear Ajebor orphanage home blockchain. We may invite her the 10 years anniversary. Wow. You forgot all this easily. You forgot all this easily. Itohan, have you forgot when Mohammed Don Priest we have or marry when we passport me when una him wa. When he divorce or when he divorce Douglas. And a woman me ah. And then I internet one. Eri bebo gume wa de bebo ro ye tu uni de peace. Cause ye ti asin either way ibata Eri bebore yati ebieke e manati be mo give you a guarantee yati ebieke. So fa utie boy utie me. Do maka wa Davos Douglas or do passport in me. Where were you doing that? Why were you doing that? Let's say people don't sleep. Mo will do this video tomorrow. I'll not share this video. Mo will do it tomorrow then. Yes, demone wagawe video na ahwe. Itohan Douglas, and you know you well ladia after close to 3 years. Una do tori. Ehian do ya kiwo nisa. Itohan Douglas, even we tagging of visual or Germany my sonny de banodium me my Tony. Even we tagging ijo sare men or Nigeria walking pastor me my ta. Even we tagging of visual we no dio no who me my ta even o yari o wego vurewe bo me my Italian. Itohan Douglas, the Douglas in Webo adio wa vure Nigeria va deport away from Germany or they to my travel. Even no time me my ta. Me maita okbia gwan for okbia me reserve. But why did you come today to come and lie? When I don't know amore nya wo him wo we na go send go Jakarta o him me na beg when you have the ticket ya Spain. Or wo can me gie no Vivian. Oh, my wife is even here. My wife, I just measure my wife na she dey here. Wo him o wa oge. Unwobohime owaoge. Itohan Douglas, I repeat it again, a crime where uga love Ajebor, a crime some video yet go your life, you know. A life, but you take it to it might not no venia yata udo take a egg bine. Ajebor is not my way. I came from a decent home. Era me ijeme peace person yahin. Imado va rame ijeme gbina there. Imado va ijeme rovi rame one day. Ijeme no rofane jomini. Ido va ijeme jun yeki or yeki o keki de wo gason o le va e. Imami rame ijeme gbina there. Itohan, imi a mwe bone vo ye no ta ijeme we ni ge mwe bovi me. Itohan, it dey pay me. It dey pay me. Not be my way. Not be my way. And not be my way. Just be like this way. You must do atalo. You drag me to this. Ijeme tamana we a boy na no zwana no rovi of his pain. Sue him directly. Petition him directly. One I am okay by here. O mano maje Nigeria, what Nigeria, what do run e fane jomi me. And the boy na maje was since 12 years. If you do my back and okay so atoge. Ukiari like women and women on ya fane jo one one me ya for women maga him drug ina dule we mi vio. If you agmo honest in a way, even we ga good time frank or wa we frank ga do. Ega no. Okay, wabe franki do bot temeni or frank or when we temeni or when a franki temeni or frank or when one time who may your funny jomini. Ugmevi megi bane. Since a boy na no respect no who ana yati we be agati when in here. Vose no mana swe boy na directly. Vu we good let luemen wabe franki kun when I do alu any me do aka we me yera or funny jo mega himwe. Because again wabe franki ya temena. Me ma ekpa he vare be sis me gikpa ne uwe even other prophet ke frank na we do wagba teme na umana Ajebor ai yan adogun ana gi me we me no wa frank gbata me yekpa yon fane jomire ne we na yido alu egini me we una do ya petition me we ihe mu eri mo sisi eri do we me ya vio wa because you said one guy was calling you such of names and wherever bo umaseti petition Ghana with international lawyer Itohan Douglas. Ubeke no oge we kekpa. E boy na maje Nigeria since 12 more time live the maka go gumegwa we no me nige temata ni. They pay me Itohan. Itohan they pay me. He egbo ma very on Itohan. Itohan they pay me. You drag me to this place. Itohan you drag me to this place. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I don't know, say, you. Itohan. Itamawe. Inawe don prince. Igba ne ono hunata. Okuna wi egwafo ne. Ya do is ina do gwan no de we imiami ono na no ido amoge nyamo. Itohan. Ni temi no kame wo. Em no kame wu ni ta. Ewu ni ta ni temi no kame wo. I'm a reserved man. Thank God, Umakame don't place women with 1,000 euro. Umakama ime with jeep. Umakama uye bowabe le me Lagos marathon. What is your problem? Why can't you keep your husband out of this bullshit? Adego who set okbi aseti guwe gwa where respect guwe. Itohan Douglas, there is a record here when you disrespect your stupid father. Your stupid late father no war. Cause it am important to say erime or ejime. When I arrow ejime ni ijo gie. Or we no your bad dopa in your wolfing dovin. When I arrow ye ro hime na dase or hama more de mammo. Bo your home to her. Who is war? A woman of in the cave von. I'll be respecting your two brothers here. Mostly Sonny no already irrespective Sonny not do not win a case pay the same thing. But man I win yaga go Frankie man rock ba. Itohan awokame una gbe. Vivian, she's a straightforward woman. I've lived with my wife in the way Wokame is a straightforward person. Wow. Or every time I say we stop, it depends on because my wife is a straightforward woman. You cause pain in my home. Itohan, when I marry, I settle with you, you give me pain. When I dey a relationship in him, me to be me my guy, ye my plan when I marry who you are. How do we on wezagi mo wa? On more bu we are the way only you whoever. Did that come to meet you we only you whoever? All said when I time we get pay, yeah, go you work when imani day. Ejini me I we me problem with him when I moving at the court. You force me to Spain, Itohan Douglas, you forced me to Spain. And you did send me money to buy tickets. The only 500 you send me to buy ticket to Nigeria. Money when you go buy. The here ya lot Ajebor for a job. Why now who send you area kato uhame ni maya pay na do ahimia? Why are you lying? Because oge no tana provoke me. And what oge no tana no provoke me. Oh ya me gwa. And they are gwa the more. You go destroy your career. You go destroy your career. It will have a long way. They no longer a bomb where. If I talk, it go destroy your career. Why you carry me? Say you want to go settle me with my ex-wife. And your mind was you are trying to destroy my home here. And you know, say that one way you want to know walk. You want to destroy my home so that may you see opportunity use my enemy. Because maybe you don't say I say Vivian spirit, you don't feel use them. Itohan, you told me that you are a river woman, mommy water or something like that. Now I say bullshit. I told you I said bullshit. Well, mommy water, walking is no. Itohan we mado tami me we iyan kama we iwe gbegi me emenunu me we gbegbe. Umatama me ya. Agame ya wefe iwe ra me bije me kama me we ogie ehin o ma no la me re na ra nisun aga apega iwe bo better born me like him iwe bo better born me like him or born me like obi ogidi anonya so ehin obi ashigidi no gi obo ehin better salo bo say o salobwa o dion and o salobwa me we ave bona ya exist e mana we sagmo mana do deba iseti si eminihin iseti si ovi oridian ovi asomoriri ovi ye no mano potise ehin o denama e wa van ala wason oridian nyason ovi asigidi no gyobo ehin ovi opise ma gbe ma mu maria ima goba do levoji. When you told me what years the okay not by umetin and I bullshit. Itohan, stop now, not drag me. Itohan, not drag me. I got Itohan, not drag me. Not be my way. If billionaire go Ajebor orphanage, soldier go soldier come. If you not succeed in driving the billionaire or any person, I don't worry. Maybe hands up in do why I orphanage, why I have my personal house. Or hono to room. Imuje mi arriva if you many have you arriva. Imoni ya nikoko if you arriva ni ame peace. Go ni bunu wae. Ni bin wae. Do why Yahweh. Then let me take the children to my home, my personal house. Orphanage me yes this why where I live in peace. Why you let me talk? Not be my way, not be my way, not be my way. Itohan, I created my time for you. So 2 o'clock if I saw 2 years. If you meeting, I want to assume. If you meeting, I want to assume. If you meeting, I will stand. I will be responsible for it. Itohan, the first trip I visited Nigeria when you were also in Nigeria. Over meeting International Ladies Club. Over here, me asking at the hospital. I go to that place in anyone is there as a patron. My guidance suffer morning. We're saying me. We're telling now. Why you will say me? Mark your boruna ajigo. Una duk mome. Itohan, you bought me a hand chain. A hand chain isivakba no yeveni ake utobabe €7. No ne go ba de babe bet vanu dem. Itohan, what then? Let me confess it myself. Ulochi International Ladies Club no heke na sene patron. Una seme. Uma seno uhame wa mamu kmongia uhame. We ma heke no mukmongia uhame. You were depressing my wife out of out of me. We are going for Don Prince. Watch this video. Let us share it to my friend Don Prince. Let us share this video to my friend Don Prince. Itohan, who are you going? Or let it be named. Who are you going to be caught in Nigeria? Itohan, who wanya Nigeria, wanya lawyer, wanya deputy, wanya governor. Itohan me mari word so far wa magbe me wa magbe money koko wa ya mo fanage wa ye. When I to where do go have a live video after close to 3 years. We are years is there. A mad piece when already Germany or my set it in when I boy don't press a day. Or do you want don't press you quick? A kay and we lacking have a do who were bo when Ajebor ya we. Who had already went Uayak your own don't prince. A who don't press we a wayata. Itohan, any yanutana ya matter, or I'm at peace. Oh my matter. God will judge you. Iye no man no say will judge you. Ikpekpenezi go do any will judge you. Asegidi no gyobo will judge you. Yes. Oh mili me no go will just judge you. To ani ni mekpam. Ije me bera me bie mana e mo go. Mo go no virabo aka Ajebor. Agami ya wefe. O ma surprise we then weta me we me ya we power me ito me gi won wa. E woto bo e ma kenu jo na to bodo kama me we ya we imeti wa me ma gi won di eni me pa scheiße she make me the talk. Hi God, don't be my way, not my way. Thank God Muhammad don't press na ime wasa we say. That's how we say. But €500 tani women are in way na ya the ticket ya risk pay me give me. I can't talk how send there. Itohan, send there prove who approve I will pay you that €500. Yes, I will pay you. Imana me no cash yeti ya igba. sis oni me we no ate do yari ameniwa umaka na iya orphanage me few $1 billion. Itohan can't go course. If you never use my own orphanage logo, take the collect money for Denmark. Itohan, today you come to live video, you said they should play your voice. You were insulting my family. I have right to insult back your family. Itohan, I dare you, go course. If you never use Ajebor orphanage logo, take claim money for church or for government for Denmark, go course. And as you dey cause that course, no invite me, cause some for back. So far no matter, but I'm not say me ye police more bo. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. Ye police more bo. Awa. Itohan ya tie boni wieke. So far uti ne bwe uti me. Where Ajebor kai we a logo Ajebor orphanage. Ye represent any office in Denmark. Ye represent every church. Ye represent any government place. Ya nego ya seek ye help. Tie bome uti ne bwe. Tie ne meeting whereby. Itohan, you told me that they give you huge amount of money. I told you this was my blessing. Orphanage you told me. You told me. Itohan your boy anu na Ajebor orphanage more force we. Every month you were supporting 15,000, 20,000. Ma force we. U have a rigo ni u tamami mo we kere gume digu kere gume lala o ibata we kere gume hinbata we no we ni mo jise. Biekani nerun we. Itohan a birthday na unu we aseti asayo. When you make bolos na me celebrate a birthday on my way bonus 100,000 150. O money guy also me na okay boy we pass 70,000 in your account no find you one no problem. O man bu me remember celebrate a birthday me is 100 to 150k. Me you will 1 minute video kekan. Itohan inu gba ni we birthday ni ra inu gba ni we birthday ni ju sun we de na we ro wa. Awa bira no re mi wa ira ile mi we wa wagbon cause era ma kpolo se ro wo hime era ma kpolo se ri me ijwe ma kpolo se jime we na afinu gijime finu giro wo hime awa be yo o me go ne ma bule Itohan Douglas ovia we wo se ikmomusa enu gba ni me we beje ne rugwe we asa ni me. I did all this because of the family relationship. You didn't cut this accept. Yes, because of Uzua Obewe Humaita Asayo. Humaita Asayo shattered. Did you pay for this? Absolutely no. Itohan, you bought me a phone, a Samsung Galaxy. Yeah, yellow. Yes, I was a patron to your organization. You have right to gift me. Only a crime. You might not do a phone. You damn me. A crime in here. Umemea. If I bought Lawegbe. Itohan, me my dash screen in Nigeria. Ula last screen ona yena me Douglas in my demi no de de video. Una no pretend na me we 15 years, 15 years. Me. E ma dash screen we matters. Ogila last screen ona yena me we to a Douglas 90 years old Douglas man. Itohan go to beat you. E no you we ya dollar dey be close to 3 years ya boy. And ya boy proof. Iga toge yo ya tie bi ke mu gbe me mu boy. Itohan hamagbon e no kan ewu. Tamagbon e no kan ewu. E no kan ewu tamagbon. So ikona wa cover the Nigeria is never do. Wa hizege wa ma eseti ye lock your family jo. Wa honu wa do tie wa return na we. Ona borrow me go win aya the ticket ona tie we nini go calculate ya. So omagi here na na the way ona wa be your family jo me fear Nigeria. Itohan, I don't fucking care. Wa beg here ya be ya ro ya Ajebor family jo me say the na Ajebor family jo still there. You know fit close. Do you know why? Because my mind is clean. Itohan, you stood up in Don Prince video, carry Taiwan mad piece with Germany, una Italy France Verna, we iteme your family jo mi koko. Now Itohan, let me listen and the whole world should listen. The license is my license. I have right to use my license to do what I please me. So far, I am not against the law. Itohan, I have right to take care of my brother, my sister, to take care of my brother, we not get papa, we not get mama. Itohan, I go feel they take care of your whole cousin will not get papa get mama. Then I'll leave my own cousin will not get papa get mama for street. You are a very stupid woman. Ima ya no waya supportive in Nigeria and waka webo so wa supporting abu weki. Iya me mo webo. Iba bo fie kon lelo. Iya me mo webo. Why? Warokpa ti kon iya me mo webo. Is a question. Ima ya no wa supporting in Nigeria evo ima ni buke webo pa. O iwa mi ho na wa hie mi hia ajigo ne. Ugmeso abi ho ni ro ni mo webo. Ima ni iho ni bunu wa supportive weki. Ugmeso yaro no me gedege. Do you know when he working after your bomb so? The may have a funny job, for example, ya have a funny job. Ya have a VJ or Viera or money given Ramage, then he said, cook a funny job. They are cook of your maviton, what bay you are. What soon with one? Then you think where or Tony, who yet am a billionaire, not so funny job 3 days ago. Yeah, what your team? It one soldier go, soldier come. I am the CEO of my lessons. So far, I am not against the Nigerian law of my orphanage home. Okay, Kevanik by Itohan, or Manoko, your orphanage home in Coco. The government is supporting orphanage home. Government, not they support my orphanage home. Now, only once, now government don't carry food, go there. Only once, food, once. For the past 8 years, only once. Now, government don't carry food, go my foundation. But they still carry food, go, they don't put money on them. But I appreciate them say they could recognize Ajebor orphanage home. Itohan, you could lie. Ahwe me aye do play video do play. Demu na me watale na keka. Itohan, you lie. We ma who in Nigeria ma who na ari bank. Imame ni ayaki account. Itohan, you are very stupid. They ni no hiri me document me ya fly from Nigeria to abroad, Europe to Europe. Ni have yaki yaki bank iwa. Uwe me ma ya me ni ayaki document. Ni ayaki account. Ore manohu, ore manohu. Itohan, ure gbene. When I say na ure gbene, maka wile we we don ame o. Itohan, for you we ya hot money me, uwe zoa o. Itohan, you are a disgrace to entire your brothers in Germany, your sisters in Nigeria, to your stupid husband. You are a disgrace to them. You are a stupid woman. Itohan, yari hunu gbegboa. Itohan, yari hunu gbegboa. Gena gevni ado so awefi we no de na. Gena so awefi. Wa geze le lo wa en we lo ma we no wa seti ku your family jo mi ni. E billionaire no wa we je wa ni na wa we apege ige asret ni ni ana. Wa ge aha ma wo bori ma go ma pay. Thank God now you did say I owe you 1,000 euro, convert to Nigeria money close to 2 million, no? You did say now I owe you a Jeep, no? You did say now the land you bought for me, I returned the land for you. What do you still want in my life? I am no longer using your home as my foundation. I am now paying for a house. And I rent a house. Why don't you let me go in peace? Why did you petition me that I'm a criminal in Benin City? Do man petition me now? That awareness is there. Why did you petition me that brought us to this mess that we are facing today? I'm not in your house. I don't owe you car. I don't owe you 5 million naira. I don't owe you 50 million. I don't owe you 1,000 euro. Nothing. Then why did you petition me? Why are you having a case with me? The land you dash me for the help, I help you. I returned the land for you. I said my 2-bedroom, my mansion is okay for me. Okay, voice when I see me, we are not petitioning me. This is the question I am still asking people today. Why are you petitioning me? What have I done? The land you dash me, I have returned it for you long ago. I said, take it. Itohan, let me shock you. Itohan, nothing where you not do to impress me. Now land, now you give me your land. You give me land for the first time. The second trip when we visit Nigeria, you can't go to show me on computer building. Now I tell you, say, not be this place you give me. Now land you give me, you say, na yeah. You impress me, make I see house on computer building, say, they the land. Make I dey dance for your music. But you stick with me, tell I say, EJ, no be EJ, I say, no be na land you show me, no be so. You say, na he say house this that time. I say, wait till you show me that time. That's not there. Oh. You say house day. Make I come complete am I dey build down. Now I say I know dey build down. I get my house where I want build. Ime wete when ime boy o keke ga say manari e we yo wa. Ezoila ovenu ye do dey gbeta ma we eri mage baba. Inya do claim property ni here. Itohan, at the same time you giving me this land, you urge me, telling me to be writing the name of my lovely children that live in Spain on the property. Where my remember more in Germany. There to where how no wezago himowa. Mohama uhame no say where hey. Ekirian we doing na yara. Good. When I not share this video, more do the video tomorrow. Cause a time you know wagimawe the video wagimawe the video need it on our share video now say 200 people no watch. Itohan Douglas Awe will say, you give me that land, the land in me so far Yemen, in me bless you with media. That way I pay you preaching menu so 5,000 euro where pay you because the property you recover through my preaching worth almost $1 billion. According to you say now you get this hotel, now you get this land, you get this house. You show me I see a lot of property. You show me to a lot of property. And I can bless you where you can fit to recover those property through the word from my mouth. Itohan, if I want bill you, it go plenty. But you give me one piece of land where not reach 300,000 that time for Ohun community. But when I go as the second time, say me will call right name put. You can't go show me your computer building. Now I tell you say, oh to what money me where what computer building and I will matter on a sugar your neri and I claim man. That's how it happen. Because it might taste in a rockba. In a rockba, it might taste soy. Me to where ya impress me when it's one boy. And now we set it boy in a woman boy. He said, boy, you were giving me that property. You were telling me the name of my children I want to write on that property. Why did you choose the children's name I want to write on that property if you did not come to destroy your home, not my home? Itohan, do you know what I like you are saying today where do destroy me? Atie boni here video. Mega video we ni mete do destroy what atie boni here video. Itohan, you want me to shock you? And then we mo toni ni me de mara asa no toni we yo to paro. No we mo tona. And then na toni o mami oni ene. Itohan ni do pe voice o 20. Ika ma ina woman atetena we cut e na disgrace we kiki. Imana migo ya de ticket again me ya la social media we ya donate go me. He do disgrace we kiki we cut. A Douglas ya e hovi go. A Douglas or nebi a yo afe Douglas. Because I set it bohu are you wa. Okay, can the Douglas is set it discipline we. Because your own is too much. Itohan, your own is too much. Umana teta a court, e yana do disgrace we 10 minutes. When a lawyer have a fight when a fight we, but we say 10 minutes need to disgrace we court. Yes, and the artist we act with record. I will disgrace you. I will disgrace your lawyer. I will disgrace your family, your brother, your sister. Yani they Jemmy and King and Irowa. They disgrace it. A Douglas by. Your eye will cleared. Itohan, take no kind of woo. tem no kan me wu okpe agwan for ni to bometa they are to bometa then ya tem no kan me wu 1000 ma we meta we ata oni if free we oni yata me don prison no kan me wu na but wa do togo we by send the way one we head no for job but ono na I worry guarantee we ono na ya tie don prison time no kan me wu but edo ite mi owe because ogun afo ne we na don prison no we 1 2 3 4 where no we say it just mekere no we talk provoke men or you me do ari ni na buy Itohan wetin make you dey wash my clothes for Benin City where we dey Nigeria. Itohan you no wash my clothes for the same house where you give me to do orphanage or you dey mad? You no wash, I not tell you say don't do this. Why you wash my clothes? Itohan you not cook for me eat. I was looking at you as my mother. Ije I the lawyer to you. But I don't know, say maybe you they get something for frauds. Why you they petition me and not steal your money? Why? I not fraud you. Why? Why you they petition me? Why? What did I do you? If you want me to do something for you, you dey my house. I said no. You leave me. You not fear expect me, you dey my house, me they do what you want to do. Boy me Ura lele me se odo egbi ye me odo ti ye me ikama ije ideneze get to oti ye me na o no tore bu moto you want conscious say you get money you dey share money for them you dey behave say you be my wife you want drag my family to your side make they love you you dey dash them money me o want decide ije odon ikpe uye santor uye tore bu moto we jeep infinity jeep. Itohan, you called me. Which car you need? Now I tell you, I need Range Rover Sport. You know what fear me you or no? Who want my bad end or not the way for my worry way. That's what we hate what the Range Rover Sport in me. I leave you. Okbani here me yata. He said it boy ye seni. Umayo ame gbemege maya ye Nigeria. Ekeneva ena mafo e una serve me. I hope we looking at serve it to a Douglas. Sorry, you can serve it Douglas. Douglas, or whatever, or easy to be ye say, or what cocoa receive it to boy tamana where ye USA. You honor me, you regard me. Yes. Yes, I have to say the truth. Itohan Douglas. The reason you were guest in order to me, whoever you were at a bedroom, where with Douglas, near guest in Okpa, where you were your bedroom with your husband. I was a patron, your patron. Did I not have right to receive a guest? Why were you at late night? You were calling me with telephone to tell my guest to leave your house, and your husband was behind you. What's here? I love us ever. Who ever there? If I bofie kunle lweto. Guys, mona not blame you. Me any woman not blame me. I not fair can talk. Una see what this woman they drag me. They go for Benin City. I not play this woman for one. I know the whole lot money. This woman don't drag me where they say I they keep quiet. I not can talk for social media. And she had the guts today to go to a presenter to come and disgrace me by lying on me. On Friday here, we they go court on Friday here. This very Friday, next tomorrow, we get caught. Make una ask me the reason why this woman can't disgrace herself for social media now. If on Friday here, we they go court, this Friday, next tomorrow, we they go court, why this woman can't disgrace herself? Why this woman not give a man peace where the Genesis and may talk? Because of billionaire where just visit Ajebor Fanage of free sense. They don't think I say, a man now pay go one and a year as no bless and I'm more contact and say I for one and make it still wrong. I got me away if I'm a blessed child. Or see na keti Ajebor Fanage fake orphanage. Iya ya not a fake orphanage where ya again a more mass of woman we to do to boy paste social media. I'm a blessed man. Team salobuano. O salobwa ga panyevani de idomu botoni ya me obon mi la ehin obon mi la ehin ovyo gidi anonya son ke ovya sam ason moriri Ovije no manopoti se eihi. O denama ya van la wa son awa no. Ama fido ho e pinye. Ovia se gino gyo bori on ese iwe boya popo wan. E dene na ije me gebo ye me Christian no mokpa ye ka we I belong to Owigbe. I belong to Osokpika. Ije me ro debo osie imi amwe bone wo edo ebedo ma oridian no nyaso. O seti abawi oridian ore ni are we amwe bolo edo ne. Me deba tuna yari abawo tuni me yo tuna ya go ba dole wo yi eiji oridian no nyaso. Yes. Oye boni ehi. Do you know what my mother told me to? That was my mother told me. The kind heart of my old mother. Or when he say where always sis umumeje cut or when he alelu here. Or when he goes a lobo aboy. Or when we will do side like here. Or we quenu tiebo. And the boy didn't me a yetiebo. Yeki yemi ayat. Yemi a home web itiebo we ring road. Betty me ham we rudi jime. E mana itiebo. Voe doses Itohan. Eti man no. Where would ya a court? Where I told the court? Uwe secretary me erima. Oye ora eketika we. When I'm yamia we offer one anime webo. Una direct ma to eketika we Nigeria. Family men abu eketika we Nigeria na do vice sign ni teme we Nigeria. We here tano we era already sign ma because your father is dead. I didn't know where we caught where do you have the secretary where you don't have secretary. Itohan stop lying. Oge mano who no rowodo. Itohan de Douglas is seti go omari manu wa zua benya na Itohan. Who we respected Douglas where I have husband. We here it have a court where or handle vice sign in my Itohan. I we here to analyze a video do prince. This is a preamble. Uwe CSO. Uwe weni meso agua. Let the court hear. You call a live video presenter to be your mouthpiece. To be sorting my family. Then I have to reply. So let the case go to anywhere. Ni metana fiagi lawyer we. Fiagi lawyer we. Let the case begin. Fiagi lawyer we. Woka TV. We gwa we rovi me live video. Urovi ero wokime. Uroviji me umeme we are mirror him Itohan we ma kami ave boys na social media we police mirror wo hame. Do you know how many times I have called my father-in-law with babanya do say yo we gbe video maro even time me Frank very now Frank wa we yan police mirror wo play the video ina we play the video he must set it deal with Itohan we get Ajebor because you get matter we play the video Frank ma play because Frank be ata we give Itohan ata Itohan they take video nigaro when I police mwiro wo hime imana mu ijue we e Ajebor Itohan o han wo ge no when ye talos na ya muje me ba ho ije me like the same age like your mother muje me ba ho mujue no next week. Your mother is not above the law mortal me ya wefe ura muje me ba ho we mujue next week ura ime e on agbe wa me on agbe to an ibo ade Denmark ido mu we no lakpa be Denmark mortal ala me ya wefe and ya awe a newspaper amwe a news ya amwe life a news ya amwe. Yes, like oh God. Yeah, muje me ba ho si su fe wanya police we do wanya deputy governor wanya president muje me ba ho. Go arrest my mother tomorrow. And if I go pick your mother next 2 days, they not fit pick your mother because they una get deputy, una get president. Itohan, I will bet you I'll come to Denmark, I'll come play for you for front of your store. Motara me ya wefe demi. And even news go carry on. Yes. He come in the woman. He woman me. Now me they pet my wife, say me my wife leave you. My wife leave her. A patron in memu no walk him away the memu patron it on. A don prison where buban oviere mi oja ma kan. E gbava osigba ni metal issue where my don prison to boy with me where Epa o wona ina mo bokuto na talo my don prison. Oviere man oviere we Epa e kia wa agwalo de tun we wa wo na. E don prison tama me no eba. And I don't please my cattle when I'm where my time where they padded to away. I told him. Somebody say, why Allah wash my clothes? Who be this who when he bear? Ya mag bear. You know, Mama, and Mary's up, boy, and Nick bear. He do what, yeah. Bad for you, happy no. Happy no, I talk guy your door, yeah. Where is he? You cook it or milk be not sharp. Where is he? Yeah, I talk guy your dog. Yeah, say I'm one share video now. When what they buy me line. When he kill and I did those one kill him back where. And then my tell but one share video. Itohan, he come away. A locking where a social media, a Facebook. Ya to be a matter to boy ya si go a matter Itohan ege mi aya temu we 2000 mana agemi igwan but aya we matter be Facebook na view ire ama we page me no camera registration a matter to boy is a view na Facebook a page me with registration date me only me gbuwe to ha ave 1 year ago 1 year 6 months ago, Itohan. He weighed 2,000 miles. Tell me where. 2,000 miles because our case don't work out where. So people go want to hear the truth. My God tell they say, Itohan, talk what happened to this shit. E no kind of gwan kan. E wuna ni wari la jana gwan kan. Itohan, Douglas, e wuna no da o how they make boy why. Dem boy will do where my emioro yegbe wuna Douglas. Douglas, ne toha, where do my emioro wuna Zara yagme yo Zara. Zara, exactly gbe wuna do my emioro gbitohan. When it want do time don't praise no can son wegbe wu. On your permit ne don't praise no e. Nike yo gwanfo na another way to that Ajebor do tema ta ahwe. Ajebor u me 5,000 euro. O e do to ni. U gwanfo ne sin. But oh no ya te no de ya rovije meni e me ya te mantana now we do take no kind of wu Itohan tie don prince to boy ya explain my don prince we we paga e pa me e we fega amu ewu la dia madam what kind of wu ni ya explain my don prince back we don prince do time live video unu okpa ya ka kino ye to boy ya tattoo Itohan or working Douglas Ovia we will say Yatoba weta. Ovik mowosa Yatoba weta. Oh, why you they drag me? Eliwa wan waya okay. Akwa na ya the way ave a man na enia ya o. Itohan, I not they rely on somebody. I get document for abroad. I get documents. If I want to talk, I go talk. Not because of somebody I don't want to talk. I want to behave as a man. Now they reserve. Oh boy, here man, I get hands to work. To find daily bread for myself and for my family, yeah. But if I want to live you, I want to live you because I be man, I need to reserve. Itohan, you too entice me for Benin now. You too entice me now. You they put money for Pigeon and they give me money now. My whole money now. I not useless. I not waste money now. I leave your money now. When I figure mugume who I want me go titigo mume. Hello. Penny canary even we go when we do yam women. Oh my wujo wow. Ma wuyo ma o happy me na happy o yo bigo me na o yo bigo no Oh, we hear Melissa Mekes that Mekes sent the 200,000 to account where 7 years ago working a launch a 10 years anniversary. Iye Melissa Pilodes. Yes. Man, keep quiet. Man, leave this woman first. I call somebody. What do you just talk like? Ohwoba wa told you. Why you need to get na baviari way semi ai. Mama semi ai o weni wo woman mama. Mazomo bovekun. Wo azove go ko wo fe your bomb so. You have been dragging me close to 3 years now. I not do you anything. I not do you anything. They sought my mother. He me na mo for me. Then I me for me na. Give me. God. Iju we. Agboni meri eni jime wa isenire we bo maseti de eni juwa. Iju we na agboni iju we nene biri tesa mi road Itohan. Ije soni o nene biri tesa mi road. Iju we o nene we na agboni iju we ki onisa. Viji meya tu ijwe vera suhu ijwe oga awia toa ijwe wia umeme ha uzuo rabo fie kunle lwe we are in a international ladies with the Edokia United Mothers. How do we are say international ladies? O woni no respect umabega gmo oyere miti we be na gwana uyebo kwo biere kin obiere ma de ba miti uyebo pope kin ogi mi na mi owason o no respect iya ya ni ga aswe mewe ero wa mebo bo agije ususe kin agbon ma bege we ebo eferije we one abegyan me ya uwa kin asun wo abegyan ya iya ya wo yan lefo e unyi mewe ma ero wa me susebu wagije Ajebor me susebu wagije ebagbon ma wene abenene viya ya so ni wa enene viya wa sun wo abegyan me igi wa to na wa segeru le ori me wari me o yari me la wa ene iwe Vivien akwo ma Vivien awegbe Vivien isiga no ekwe Vivien akwe uwete wari mepa Itohan ero wa me wa ni ayasin wa de me sha no si won ya yi wa pin won me ora wa zo me re na iwa abosti wo ero wa me susebu wa je Ajebor me susebu wagije gbagbon yi ma Ajebor ne egyan me ya wa kin asun gbo won mo o aregyan me wa re mada wa yo bo wa ibi mada re me lu wege to re me ya fi palo o we dori me ye keji na ba we si me aye me wi ya sin ni ye me esota we my friend me kin esota we eyana aya me tegbe kin Iyana ya me think ete crime ro ete crime where in a swag in a level ete crime but we no gba no aro word no agwa lo pe ah it's not done because crime matter with crime no it's not crime. I'm asking for you to love yes but every word why ya fe Wana agbina yeme me. Itohan Douglas we tobu we ma hami me no ashawo we mebawe. Ave United Ladies Club na ni ho ana. Abi hu ni ho a. Abi hu ni zua. Abi hu ne gwa leba wodo. Abi hu ne ti ye white party a ye white party akara e ogbin level la dia. Inwi who ye white party a United Ladies Club no women na international ladies United Ladies ni no waya su wo wagme to an. Inu wa ye white party wo club ni inu wa ye white party. Itohan inu wa ye white party women. Itohan have many tana. Iwenu ya tie biike. Eti me ya webo tie yeke. Yes. Do we make we love him as a Douglas? Why go tamamo love him as a Douglas? Do we make me we ado kiss to me with Germany? Do we make me we o Davos a Douglas ni me Davos o hamere Vivian o alori passport me. Onwe Vivian o to bo e wagbon. Wa bo fie kun le lo e ma egun. Bebe ni tana ya Ajebor. Eddie Bebori, or the Bebori, yeti yasin where a saga where tia beake, yatia beake. Ajebor where we are Davos a Douglas, ni me Davos a Viga temena Ajebor, mwe bog be menu mugbe boy. O iga kage a keston Ajebor, mwe bog be boy, mwe bog be me. Iga how we love Douglas is Ajebor mwe bog big boy mwe bog be me ya tabi yeke video taba webo bi yeke ti me yo ya ti e video ge boto boy gwa le mata ti ebo du maka wa di moto me una no me moto ni need na kama ina we Range Rover Sport motor but ane na the we for ma ikena was na video we for ya ta video ya Ajebor do ma hok mo meto. Ya Ajebor do ma leba e meto. Ya Ajebor do ma ga me be na go yoba Itohan. Itohan we are even no work bolos and even no trans and wa to me kada. Then we was August and we are here for to me kada we to Douglas kada. We mati me be Gemima we preaching me preaching wo vodon ha me ga here ne walking of you kpabonyo tore that a Douglas of you kpabonyo tore Ajebor no we tana ero wa erimas you bo no we tave na umati me video e na kama na we je na wo of you kpabonyo tore umati me ya ave me na nikele na ya tie biike ti pepe nesi odo emi ti ogun oba yo ti ovia ya ti ovia yo ya ti ebo yo utese ya ti ebo yo usen emi na ni tana eti meju we wa re meti do tai we ibata na seri ebo eti me ya ti biike so fa ti ne gbo e uti ti me yes ge boto bo egwale mata. We may preach in Germany mana 4 years ago. Where Matthew mwe 40 me from a Denmark where erima eranogi no wa be taverna now where preaching now do wa me gari rifle or do of you kpabonyo tore Douglas of you kpabonyo tore wo women ya Ajebor do matama me na kama na we egba Itohan I'm your mentor ukebie tutie me no wota ukebie Ima buo de ne uwie. What they call? Bro. Brother. Yeah. Feko go. I greet you, Baba. Life is